Hello my lovelies, welcome back again to Tsp Delight. Today I'm here to show you how I made these very soft, delicious bread rolls. Very easy to make and your entire family will love this one. So let's go through the list of ingredients. I've got some all-purpose flour, some sugar, some olive oil, salt, egg, turmeric powder for a pop of color, my instant dry yeast, and some warm milk. Of course, my melted butter as well. Please do not forget, I'll leave all the quantities of ingredients in the description box, so be sure to check it out, okay? So you can do this without using your hands to knead. For me, I'm going to use my food processor. If you have a stand mixer, even better. Also, you can use your hand, and the food processor for me today will go a long way. So I've transferred all my dry ingredients. I'll mix it all together to combine and add my egg, my melted butter, my warm milk, which I'll be adding in bits, okay? Mix everything to combine, go in again and clean the sides and add your next set of milk until all the milk is used. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Debbie and the name of the channel is Tsp Delight. If you haven't subscribed, please do so for me now. Thank you. Having kneaded it for about 10 minutes, it's nice and stretchy. I'll go in with my olive oil and knead it for an extra 10 minutes. My dough is nice and soft now. I will sprinkle some more flour onto my work surface and transfer my dough at this point. The flour will prevent your dough from sticking onto the work surface, okay? I'll knead the dough a little bit more until it's nice and stretchy and go ahead and create my bread rolls. If you're still here, why don't you let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout in my next video. At this point, my dough is nice and stretchy, so I'll divide it into equal parts. Don't worry if you do not get it to be even. There is beauty in every mistake, okay? Don't be too hard on yourself. This bread roll recipe is super delicious. I love the color the turmeric adds to it, and trust me, you cannot taste the turmeric in it at all, so don't fret. It's completely optional. If you don't want to add it, don't add it, but trust me, it just gives it a nice yellow color to give you a different look, okay? So try it if you like, okay? Now, to create my bread rolls, I'll smear some flour into my palms to prevent it from sticking onto my palms. Tuck the sides into the middle, roll it around and tear off the excess bits. Roll it further on my work surface until it's nice and round. I'll transfer this onto my lined baking tray. Repeat the same process for the rest of the dough and our bread rolls will all be done. I'll cover this with my napkin and leave it in a warm place until it doubles in size. Please allow it to sit for about 40 minutes, nothing more, or else it will be bitter in the end because of the yeast. Now, to get a nice golden look in the end, I will give it a beautiful egg wash. Pop it into my preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius. Bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes and our bread rolls is ready. It looks so beautiful and it tastes even better. This is definitely a must try. I paired this with my homemade butter and it was simply a good combo. If you haven't seen the recipe, please check my previous post or click on the link above now. You can also find the link in my description box. Look at that. So soft and yummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, please do not forget to like, comment and share. And until I see you in my next one, remember that I love you all, but God loves you the most. Bye for now.